let me just first address the point. What's the alert? What's so urgent here? What is why you need to listen me carefully, guys, if you are serious about the doing manual dropshipping on eBay. Look, I will show you the point first. Let me go and switch here. Today, okay? Today. Oh, this generate report. Okay, so now you see what happened today. Today, report for September 4, total sales 4,300. You see, and my account is probably on alert. I have to do something really, I have to make some really serious steps here. I will explain later what's the deal here, because I have been doing this once. I don't want to mess up with my account. This is training account, even it's not my real account, but this training account. This is close to big danger now. Why? Okay, here is what happened today actually. I have to admit I get a little bit excited in the morning when I saw my, before the noon time, my sales went up over 2,000. I thought, oh my gosh, I was gonna show them how to do the dropshipping, and I put in some special tactics and this was bad idea because I got the spike over 4,000. You see, guys, there is a 2,000 line, and the next is 4,000 line here, the 4,000 line. In the first level, which is first 3 months, I don't, by any means, there is no possibility, natural and technical, for me even to go for over 2,000 per day. Okay, in first 3 months. When 3 months are over and I am free to go, as it happened, and I showed you in yesterday's video, in the first video, okay, that the 2 months is September 3, and yeah, okay, let me do this, and I went over 2,000, which is okay, because the next level when I got the freedom is the same what you are doing if you are in 799, right? From 2,000 till 4,000. Daily sales, 2,000, 4,000, 2,000, 4,000. That's normal. That's just how it is. That's next level, okay? But on the second day, I got a little bit too excited and exaggerated with my items and with because it's very difficult to keep yourself in a format if you know how to make more. But I have been doing this for 3 months and being so patient, and now like, yeah, it works. And you know, naturally this tendency goes on, and just put some too much items for to make too big profits. Not profits, but the sales, and accordingly profits also. Bottom line is, I have done this mistake before 3 times. eBay suspended me, well, no, 2 times actually, because they suspended me 3 times, but the 3rd time was for a different reason, but 2 times they suspended me just for the same reason, for the spikes. Okay, so don't allow spikes for your account in the first 3 months. Next, when you go to the next level, if you are in 799 course and you started up like I showed you in my video, and then on the next level you jump over there, don't jump over to very big spikes, just keep that level. What I'm gonna do now, keep the level between 2,000 and 4,000. That's the level for 799 technique, okay? For the tactics we'll use 799. What I'm gonna do now is actually, yeah, I will show you maybe tomorrow in another video. What I have to do now is I have to either to raise the price for all my 37 active items. 37, yes, I have 37 active items. I have to raise the price crazy, like insane crazy, not to cause not to buy, which is a little bit not good. But I have to be very, because now it's evening 8:27. So I hope really that I have to do something. And then after midnight I can take the prices back, something like, I will think about the strategy. But the point is, just don't allow the spikes and control your level between 2000 and 4000 for the next. Okay, I will show you tomorrow what I did, and okay, let's go back to the video, but I will show you tomorrow how it went, and let me show you something else. Considering that I started new account here, okay, it was what? It was June 1st when I started this account. If this will gonna grow up, I will be suspicious for eBay. They will gonna go deep with me. They will gonna see where I am. So what they will find out, I am an international. So when I'm international and selling on US, they may ask me to provide some paperwork. Okay, which is, I don't like that, all right? Because keep growing up, I'm putting my account in danger. I have to slow down the sales. And again, you see, when you are international, it's a little bit different, and you have to be extra cautious comparing to the Americans. If you are in America, inside in America, and if you are doing dropshipping, you are more flexible on eBay's eyes and for the eBay's radar. But if you are international, you really have to be aware of not causing eBay to get any suspicious on you. Whatever it is, you are messing up with the tracking numbers, you are messing up with the customer, there are too many like cancelled items or whatever the cases would be, there are unanswered questions and negative feedback you got, and then the case are open. And don't give eBay any reason for them to go deep, to dig in and to just open your files and look where you are from, where you're from, when did your account is established and stuff like this. Don't do this. Okay, so that's why internationals really need to, because you are gonna enter lots of problems, real problems, and then you have to start over again. So, and the previous work is nothing. Okay, so by telling this, I want to show you tomorrow what I did with my account, and see you tomorrow. We'll see what will gonna happen. I pray God that it will not gonna be suspended. See you tomorrow.